Applications of robots in manufacturing and industry. In recent years, robots have become increasingly prevalent in the manufacturing and industrial sectors, providing a range of benefits for businesses and workers alike. In this article, we will explore the various applications of robots in manufacturing and industry. Automation of repetitive tasks. One of the primary applications of robots in manufacturing and industry is the automation of repetitive tasks. This includes tasks such as assembly, packing, and material handling, which can be performed much more efficiently and accurately by robots than by human workers. By automating these tasks, businesses can increase production speed, reduce errors, and save on labor costs. Improving safety. Robots can also be used to improve safety in manufacturing and industrial settings. For example, robots can be used to perform dangerous tasks such as welding, painting, or handling hazardous materials, reducing the risk of injury or illness for human workers. Additionally, robots can be equipped with sensors and other safety features to prevent accidents and ensure safe working conditions. Quality control. Robots can also be used to improve quality control in manufacturing and industry. For example, robots can be used to perform inspections and tests on products, ensuring that they meet the required specifications and standards. This can help to reduce the risk of defects and recalls, and ensure that customer satisfaction is maintained. Flexibility and customization. One of the key advantages of robots in manufacturing and industry is their flexibility and ability to be customized for specific tasks. Robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, and can be adapted to accommodate changes in production needs or product design. This can help businesses to stay competitive and respond quickly to changing market demands. Efficiency and productivity. Another benefit of robots in manufacturing and industry is increased efficiency and productivity. Robots can work around the clock without breaks or fatigue, and can perform tasks much faster than human workers. This can help to increase production output, reduce lead times, and improve overall efficiency. Challenges and future directions. Despite the many benefits of robots in manufacturing and industry, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to ensure that robots are safe and reliable, and do not pose a risk to human workers. Additionally, there is a need for ongoing development of new technologies and applications for robots in manufacturing and industry. Looking ahead, there is significant potential for robots to continue to play a transformative role in manufacturing and industry. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics are enabling the development of more sophisticated and capable robots, which can perform increasingly complex tasks. Additionally, there is increasing interest in the use of collaborative robots, which work alongside human workers to perform tasks that require human dexterity or decision-making. Customization and personalization. In addition to flexibility, robots can also enable greater customization and personalization in manufacturing and industry. With the ability to adapt to specific tasks and accommodate changes in production needs or product design, robots can help businesses to produce customized products more easily and efficiently. This can help companies to better meet the needs of their customers and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Reducing waste and environmental impact. Robots can also be used to reduce waste and environmental impact in manufacturing and industry. For example, robots can be programmed to optimize material usage and reduce scrap, minimizing the amount of waste generated during production. Additionally, robots can be used to perform tasks such as energy-efficient lighting and HVAC control, helping to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions. Collaboration with human workers. Another important application of robots